Here we go. Tonight we're going to draw a Parasaurolophus.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
One of the dinosaurs we haven't seen for a long time. As we have noticed, Parasaur has kind of been a dinosaur classic. This guy debuted on a lot of prehistoric shows and series like Prehistoric Park, and let's just say it also has been shown on Jurassic Park and even its rebooted series. I took a long liking to this guy. Mostly these dinosaurs are often found on 4 legs.
DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
There we are. Here's his feet.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Here we go. Now let's draw his tail. And finished. Alexa, what is Parasaurolophus?
Parasaurolophus is a genus of herbivorous hadrosaurid ornithopod dinosaur that lived in what is now North America and possibly Asia during the Late Cretaceous Period, about 76.5 to 73 million years ago. It was a herbivore that walked both as a biped and as a quadruped. 3 species are universally recognized: P. walkeri, P. tubicin, and the short-crested P. surtochrostatus.
There he is, everyone. Relax, everyone. There's still more dinosaurs coming soon. So sit back and relax and get ready for the next one. Good night, guys.